Defender or T7. This is the front design of T7. And this is the front design of the Defender. This is the headlight of T7 and this is the headlight of Defender. Rear design of T7, rear design of Defender. This is the steering wheel of T7 and this is the steering wheel of Defender. T7 uses a column shifter. The Defender uses a traditional gear selector. This center armrest is a fridge in T7. Can hold drinks, warm in winter and cold in summer. This armrest in Defender has no fridge, only storage space. This is the center console in T7. It has two wireless chargers. This is the center console in the Defender. Open design with charging ports. This is the front passenger armrest with storage in T7. This is the front passenger armrest with storage in Defender. This is the front passenger seat in T7 with the leg rest. Very comfortable, especially for long trips. This is the front passenger seat in the Defender. Only basic adjustment. This is the rear seat in T7. Seat length 46 cm. This is the rear seat in the Defender. Length 46 cm. This is the trunk depth of T7. It reaches up to 90 cm. And the width reaches 123 cm. This is the trunk depth of the Defender. It reaches up to 96 cm and the width reaches about 115 cm. Would you buy the T7 for only $38,000 in China? Let me know in the comments.